Hey all. So we're going to do the song "Sign of the Times." I went to see the flick Project Hail Mary the other night, and great movie. Also had the song "Sign of the Times" right in the middle of it, so I thought we'd do that. So the song is pretty straightforward. It's in the key of F, so you're going to have to do some bar chords. If you're not comfortable with that, I can show you another version at the end of this that's a lot easier when you put the capo on 3. So, like I said, the chords we're going to need for this are F, D minor, C, C7, and then a B flat. Those are the chords we need. And this song, like all the other ones we're doing for the Coach Art kids, Coach Art provides music, art, STEM, lots of different services for kids who have long-term and chronic illnesses. All right, so now that we know the chords, let's talk about the chord progression. It's actually pretty straightforward here too. So for the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus, the chord progression is always the same. It's F for 1 bar, then the D minor for 1 bar, the C for 1 bar, the C7 for 1 bar, the C for 1 bar, and then the C7 for the last bar. So F, D minor, C, C7. So that's really straightforward. The bridge is almost exactly the same. It's F, D minor, C, and then B flat. That flattened third, which just sounds amazing, really, really dramatic in this song. So the song is in 4/4 timing, so we got 4 beats per bar per measure. So the way we could play it, to count it out is F 1, 2, 3, 4, D minor 1, 2, 3, 4, C 1, 2, 3, 4, C7 1, 2, 3, 4. The song is pretty dramatic, so when I play it, I do use a lot of downstrokes, and then maybe a little bit of shuffle in there too. Kind of when I'm changing the chords. And the way I play it any way you want. I kind of rock back and forth between the C and the C7. So even though, the C is, for 1 bar and the C7 for another bar, I kind of use them interchangeably because that's the way I feel like I want to play it. You play it any way you want. So that's it. That's as easy as the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus, all exactly the same. Okay, so when we get to the bridge is the F, 1, 2, 3, 4, a D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that big dramatic B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a flattened, as I said, a flattened third, real powerful sound there. And that's it. That's the way the bridge is played, as well as all the other sections. All right, so if you're not up for playing the song in the key of F, and I would advise you to just keep practicing it, you'll get those bar chords down. But if you want to just start banging it out right away, you can affix your capo to the 3rd fret right there, and you can play it in the key of D. So instead of playing the F, you play a D. So it's D, and then a B minor, an A for 2. So a couple things. So if you are having problems playing that B minor bar chord, instead of that, you can just use 3 fingers to play the 3 highest notes on the B minor. And I find the easiest way is because the transitions between D and B minor. You play the D, and then you just kind of add your pinky on the 4th fret on the G string, and then you have your B minor right there. Then an A, and if you want to lift your middle finger up, that's an A7. So just like before, you're doing C, C7, you're doing A, A7. And those are the chords you need for the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus, right? 2, 3, 4, B minor, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4. Those are the chords you need. In the bridge, the only other chord you'll need, the flattened third, in this case is an easy old G, right? So in the bridge, it's D, B minor, A, G. And that's it. That's the easier version. All right, so I'll put a link in the description below to get you to where you can get the chords and lyrics for all this. If you want to see some of the sheets that I put together for the classes, you can just email me and I'll send them over to you. Again, all these things are done for Coach Art, where we provide music, art, and STEM, lots of different services for kids with long-term illnesses. Please check them out, and I hope this lesson was helpful.